Embracing experimentation is the next really fundamental value at Ladder. The reason why we talk about embracing experimentation is that experimentation itself doesn't come naturally. The average marketer, the average person in general, does a minimal amount of experimentation when you really think about it. Usually people are just naturally prone to sticking to the things they've already seen working, staying in their comfort zone, or sometimes if they do new things, it's typically what they heard somebody else say everybody else is doing. But the problem with that is that it's the best way to achieve average, not exceptional results. And it's also a great way to ultimately end up just stagnating and eventually declining against the competition. Now, you have to ultimately zag when others are zigging to create real performance alpha. To do that in a methodical way, you have to invest in systems that help you prioritize, measure, and iterate experiments through a regular cadence of testing. Now, at Ladder, we strive to do that for all of our clients. It's how we think about, besides just generating more and better raw performance in their marketing, it's how you level up the overall organization by executing test-driven systems that are scalable. Now, and also running Ladder itself, we also adopt a similar commitment and mindset. Now, at the end of the day, the reason why fundamentally this is so important is that we think that growth is a game of guesswork. That's the reality. Our job as really good marketers is to remove guesswork and make incrementally better decisions that over time compound into tremendous breakthrough results. At the end of the day, embracing experimentation is how we cultivate that mindset that helps us do just that.